morning class. Today I want to describe about polynomial for class 9th exercise 2.2 question number 2 part 3rd. Concentrate your mind and listen my words. Today I want to describe how you can find the value of given polynomial. You can solve your question by two methods. First, remainder theorem. Second, factor theorem. We know dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. It means px equal to gx multiply qx plus rx. Px is dividend, gx is divisor, qx is quotient and rx is remainder. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question very easily. But you concentrate your mind and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. See the board. NCERT class 9 exercise 2.2 question number 2. Find P0, P1, P2 for each of the following polynomial. Question is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Question is Px equal to x power 3. It means you put the value of P0 in given polynomial and you find your first answer. Next time you put P1 in given polynomial. Clear? And last time you put P2 in given polynomial. In this way you can solve your question very easily and you can find your answer. No confusion about it. Very good. It is very easy, but you concentrate your mind. Clear? See the word. Let Px equal to x cube where x equal to 0. Let Px equal to x cube where x equal to 0. It is given polynomial and it is value of x. Clear? Now P0 equal to 0 cube. Put the value of x equal to 0 in given polynomial. In given polynomial. It is clear? Put x equal to 0 in given polynomial. Clear? Next step. P0 equal to 0 multiply 0 multiply 0. P0 equal to 0. 0 is your answer. It means you find the value of given polynomial is 0. When you put the value of x equal to 0. It is clear? First step is solved. First step is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is very easy. Next step. Solution. Let Px equal to x cube here x equal to 1. Now put P1 equal to 1 cube. Put x equal to 1 in given polynomial. In given polynomial. You put x equal to 1 in given polynomial. Given polynomial is Px equal to x cube. It is clear? See the board. P1 equal to 1 multiply 1 multiply 1. P1 equal to 1 is your answer. You find the value of given polynomial is 1 and you put the value of x equal to 1 in given polynomial. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Next step, solution. Let px equal to x cube, here x equal to 2. Clear? First time you put x equal to 0, second time you put x equal to 1, and third time you put x equal to 2 in given polynomial. Clear? X equal to 2. Given polynomial px equal to x cube. Clear? Now p2 equal to 2 cube. Put x equal to 2 in given polynomial. In given polynomial. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now p2 equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 equal to 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8. 8 is your answer. P2 equal to 8 is your answer. You find the value of given polynomial is 8 and you put the value of x equal to 2 in given polynomial. It is clear? First time you put x equal to 0, second time x equal to 1, and third time x equal to 2 in given polynomial. Given polynomial is px equal to x cube. It is clear? First time you find 0, second time you find 1, third time you find 8. In this way you can solve any question very easily. Your solution is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. In this way you can solve any question and you can find the value of any polynomial. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good.